Let us do combination sums when at least is present in the question. There are 7 Chinese, 6 European and 4 American students at an international conference. You came across information, write it down. 7 are Chinese, 6 European, 4 American. 4 of the students are to be chosen to take part in a television broadcast. You need to select 4 from these. Find the number of different ways the students can be chosen if at least one Chinese and at least one European student are included. Now at least one means one or more, and mathematically how do I represent in this way? One Chinese, so one or more means greater than or equal to 1. At least one European means one or more, mathematically we represent in this way. No condition on this. Clear? Now, I get multiple options, so I will use table to show all the options. So I make a table in this way. Okay, now, whatever number over here I write should satisfy this condition. Whatever number I write should satisfy this. Here no condition. And these 3 together count, or when I add these 3, it should add up to 4. Clear? Like that, how many set of options do we get is what we need to find out first. Clear? This number satisfying this condition, this number satisfying this, no condition on this, but when I add all these 3, my total should be 4. Okay, let us start. Now, if I place here 1, here also 1, so 1 plus 1, 2, so here it has to be 2, only then the count will be 4. Next option, here fix 1, increase this to 2, 1 plus 2, 3, so here it has to be 1, then only the count will be 4, each is satisfying the condition. Okay, next. 1. Increase this number to 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, so here it has to be 0. This is satisfying this condition, this also satisfying this condition, here no condition and the count is 4. Many students, they came across 0, so they don't write this option. But this option also satisfies the condition. Remember that. Okay, next. If I take 1 here, if I increase this 4, then my count here will be 5, but I need to select only 4. From that, conclusion is with 1 only these options I get. Now I increase this to 2. Here I start with 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So here it has to be 1. Next. Here 2, increase this to 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So here it has to be 0. Next, if I take 3 and increase this to 3, if I take 2 here and I increase this to 3, 2 plus 3, 5 is exceeding 4. So this option won't work. So from that I understand is with 2 I get only these. If I increase this to 3, so here it has to be 1, here it has to be 0. Only then the count will be 4. And if I make it 3 and increase this to 2, the count here is 5. That is exceeding. So this won't come. So conclusion is only these options we get satisfying the condition and the count. Clear? Carefully, in an organized way, you write the numbers such that you do not miss out on any option. Okay. Now let us write for each row. Over here, from 7 you need to select 1. That can be done in 7C1 ways. From 6 you need to select 1. That can be done in 6C1 ways. From 4 you need to select 2. That can be done in 4C2 ways. Okay, now see. All this needs to happen at once. That is and between them. So whenever it is and, you need to put into sign. Clear? Now, same way I write for the other rows. See. So here will be 7C1 into 6C2 into 4C1. Here for this row it will be 7C1 into 6C3 into 4C0. For this row 7C2 into 6C1 into 4C1. For this row 7C2 into 6C2 into 4C0. For this row 7C3 into 6C1 into 4C0. Clear? For each row write like that. Any doubts so far? No, right? Next. Now, it is these set of values satisfying the condition and the count. It could also be or. These set of values satisfying the condition or and count, or these set of values satisfying the condition and the count, or these set of values satisfying condition and the count, or this or this. Whenever it is or, you need to add. So add all this to get the final answer. So your final answer that you supposed to get is 1841. 41 should be your final answer.